Wugas. I'm back at y'all with a little small little video. I'm gonna go ahead and say say my little prayer to get it over with. Okay, I just stopped in the house just to have me a little bit of lunch. It's lunch, brunch, whatever. I didn't eat any breakfast this morning, so I decided to stop on in the house and eat me one of these. It's a Jimmy Dean, y'all. But that's what it says, Jimmy Dean. It's backwards right there, though. Anyway, I'm going to try this out because I did a while back, and I'll give y'all something probably a little later, something, some seafood or something. But this is something real quick for me because I'm going back out. So, in this little Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl is steak and eggs, potato, eggs, seasoned steak, cheddar, cheese, and onions, okay? But you know, I gotta add something to it, my Suga Wugas. Look, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video, okay? And if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love, okay? So, let me go ahead. So, look, I had to put my pepper in here. My pepper. Yeah, I like a lot of pepper. Hot garlic. I'm going to put some of this garlic powder on there just to have a little flavor, I guess. I don't know. Oh, Crystal. Crystal. Crystal won't be in it. Got to have something hot on there. Look. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Put that on there. Mix that up like that. That's it. Mix that up. See? It's just a bunch of stuff, you see? Don't act like y'all ain't never eat a TV dinner before or something. TV breakfast. Because I am today. Yeah. Let me see. Well, it's good to me. It's going to hit the spot right now. Because I was hungry. And I had to think of something quick. And I ain't feel like buying nothing. I'll probably do something like that later and give y'all a little something. No. This is good. It is. Okay, Jimmy Dean. But I'm going to start shouting people out. I think I can start doing that. I mean, I do anyway every now and then. If I mention someone that I like to watch all the time, yeah. I do. But I think I'm going to have me a notification type thing. Try that out. You be one of the first ones to comment on my little channel over here. I'll shout you out. My little 177 subscribers, whoever's watching me, well, if they ain't come over to y'all, they'll come over to y'all, I hope. Well, it won't hurt, I'm close to 200. I'm excited, see that number going up. I still, of course, don't know what day I'm going to keep posting and stuff. It's just, right now, it's just like when I feel inspired, which is almost every day, but when I feel inspired to eat something, I just like, let me show my Suga Wugas. Right? Oh, I'm going to give y'all them. I don't know if y'all like Jimmy Dean, but just in case, here you go. Got steak, egg, potatoes, onions, cheese, cheddar, all that. I think I need a little bit of hot sauce though, a little bit more. So let me come in here for lunchtime and give it to you. I ain't feel like sitting in the car either. And I remember when I went into the freezer section of the market, I got me a few of these. Something quick. It's good actually. It is. Y'all should try it. Let me show y'all again. See? Put your own little touch on it. Right? How y'all feeling today? What y'all eating for lunch? What's going on out there? What y'all doing? What should I eat for dinner? Yeah. So like I was saying, then go ahead. Be one of the first ones to comment on my little channel. And I'll shout y'all out. I'll pick, pick y'all out, shout y'all out and all that. Yeah. This breakfast I should have orange juice, but now I got Pepsi, vanilla flavor Pepsi at that. Okay. I had to wipe that off. Woo! That's serious there. Woo! Excuse me. I still didn't get around to that sexy burp somebody asked me to do. What is it? But no, we ain't gonna talk about that. That's over. I left that one alone. This is good. Maybe because I'm just real hungry. You know? That's what it looked like on the box. They made it look all good. I said, ooh. Comment below if y'all ever had one of these. And if you do, which ones do y'all like to eat? Which ones? Comment below. Tell me. I was about to say, dang, they seasoned this really well. They probably did. I don't know. I don't know if it's the pepper and the seasoning I just put in there. Yep. Winston over there playing. Can y'all hear him? But I'm also going to make it a point to, if y'all had seen, if you've seen some of my other, if you've seen some of my other videos, Suga Wugas, I've been having like family and friends over, and we have a big old crab feast or something like that, right? But I made in my mind, I'm gonna do that often, and I'm gonna bring that to you often. Bring something like that to you guys every time we have a little gathering, because we make it our point to stick together, stay together, and have fun. And just reminisce some things that we did when we was little. I'm going to bring y'all some stories about when we all used to just be out there and just have fun, But that'll come later on, I guess, in my channel when I start getting extra consistent. This thing's a little hard, y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all be for real every day. Every day, faithful. Don't get me wrong, faithful is good. It's just how it's hard a little bit. Tell me y'all, secret. And sometimes I be tired, maybe because I work. I work a lot and trying to juggle it. It's still stuck in my head that I just don't want this to to become something like, oh my God, I do a video. I don't want to be like that. I love my Suga Wugas. I don't want to be tired of y'all. Because I know if y'all get tired of me, I know y'all click off, leave me alone, but I don't want to get tired of y'all. I'm just talking. So, boom, I got bananas. This is sitting here, so I think I'm going to eat me a banana. Mason, I had to get these for Mason because he's really into bananas now. Yesterday he ate a whole banana and then said he wanted another one. He ate it to about down right here. So he ate one whole one and then ate it down. He's starting to eat, y'all. He's about to start school. He'll be 4 in February, so he's starting school August 19th. Preschool. Preschool, yeah. So, you want my bite? Right, banana? So my Mason's probably gonna have me eating healthy. He like bananas, I'm eating banana. With a Pepsi. Yeah! I gotta redo my hair, y'all. Braid it over. Y'all know how I get. Don't be surprised you see a hat on my head in the next video. What y'all see is what y'all get, right? Y'all gonna know me for who I am. Accept me for who I am. I'm not sure what this. Hair beady and all. No, I'm just playing. Well, no. Y'all be, sometimes some of y'all be getting all dolled up, makeup and all that. Eat some good old food. Y'all look good. All y'all look good when you do it. Beautiful. Well, just hit the spot. Put that right there. I hit the spot, right? Y'all see the refrigerator on lettuce back there? Cheers, y'all. Cheers. I need this. So guess what? Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Share this video if you like. Or go to my other videos and you like some of them other videos. Share those. The crab feast. Because I absolutely love those myself. I really do. I want to have a crab feast with one of y'all. Can we have a crab feast? A crab feast. Who want to have a crab feast with me? Comment below. Everything, comment below. You want to have a crab feast with me? Get a whole bunch of crabs and sit around and indulge. But, you know, my Suga Wugas, I'm going to leave y'all with this. Again, do not forget to thumbs up this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell and hit all so you can get all of my videos. And what else? I'm going to take a swig. And what is right here? I don't know. But I'm about to let y'all go, my Suga Wugas, if you didn't already let me go. I'm going to leave y'all with a nice big old hug. And I see y'all on my next video.